gates open, they're up and racing. Moving up now on the outside is Rain Dancer, and running by the rail to take the lead is Youngsta Gangsta. Youngsta Gangsta in command, followed now by Queen Kugat in second. Running now in third is She's Commandant, moving up on the outside to A, and that's Body Shot. Followed now by Bartolina by the rail. In between runners comes Rain Dancer, and Balota is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Youngsta Gangsta in command. Queen Kugat is in second. Down in third, She's Commandant. Moving up on the outside is Body Shot by the rail. Bartolina, Rain Dancer, and Balota. As they turn to the last 450, now we have Body Shot takes command. Moving up to take second is the stablemate, and that's Bartolina. She's Commandant. Rain Dancer is on the outside. Moving up, Queen Kugat, Balota also closing in with the last 200 meters more to run. Now we have the couple entries in a 1-2 position. Running by the rail, Bartolina, Body Shot. She's Commandant moving up now on the outside. She's Commandant. Balota is moving up by the rail, and leading the finish line is going to be Balota. She's Commandant, Rain Dancer. Then comes Bartolina, Body Shot, Queen Kugat, and Youngsta Gangsta.